Imagine this, a government project starts with a $500 million budget. But by year 4, it's not even halfway done. Final cost? Over $2.1 billion. And here's the thing, they never saw it coming. Why? Because they only used a single estimate for cost and duration. What if I told you there's a simple but powerful method that adds accuracy and realism to your project forecasts? And it only takes 3 numbers? Welcome to the 3-point estimating method. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use it, where it works best, and why smart project leaders swear by it. Stick around, and if you want to become a pro at cost estimating, my online course dives even deeper. I once worked with a project manager named Vikram on a $40 million telecom rollout. In the first 2 months, every cost estimate was off. Vendors underbid. Delays ate into labor costs. It was chaos. Then, we introduced the 3-point method. Instead of guessing one number, Vikram got 3. The best case, the worst case, and the most likely. Suddenly, forecasts became more realistic. We saw risks before they hit. By the end of the project, actual cost landed within 4% of our estimate. That's the power of the 3-point method. So, what is the 3-point method? It's a way of estimating cost or duration using 3 scenarios. Optimistic, O, the best case outcome. Most likely, M, the expected or normal outcome. Pessimistic, P, the worst case scenario. Using these, we calculate an expected value using a weighted formula. E equals O plus 4M plus P/6. This gives a more balanced, risk-aware estimate, especially for uncertain or complex projects. Step-by-step guide to using 3-point estimating. Step 1. Identify the task or activity. Start by breaking your project into estimable components, tasks, phases, or deliverables. This makes your estimates focused and specific. Step 2. Define the 3 estimate. For each task, work with your team or stakeholders to define. O, if everything goes smoothly. M, if things go as expected. P, if the worst case happens. For example, task, build landing page. O equals 3 days, M equals 5 days, P equals 10 days. Step 3. Determine the expected estimate. Now apply the formula. Expected duration, E equals O plus 4M plus P divided by 6. That gives us a statistically balanced estimate. It accounts for real-world risk without bloating the budget. Step 4. Evaluate the estimate and make adjustments if necessary. Add the expected value to your project schedule and cost estimate. The results are more defensible, justifiable, and reliable than single-point guesses. Step 5. Convey the estimate and track progress. As you go, compare actuals against estimates. If your pessimistic scenario happens more often, recalibrate. That's how you build estimating maturity. 3-point estimating is perfect for high-risk or uncertain projects, tasks with limited historical data, projects needing realistic risk buffers. But it's less useful when you have massive historical data. You're doing tiny tasks at scale. In those cases, consider combining it with parametric or bottom-up models. In every case, the 3-point method gave teams a realistic range, better stakeholder confidence, and reduced project surprises. Construction, estimating concrete curing time. Software, time to build a back-end module. Healthcare, time to process medical records. E-commerce, cost to onboard a supplier. Energy, time to install a solar array. Even with a great method, watch out for these mistakes. Biased optimism, we all underestimate risk. No team input, Estimates need multiple perspectives. Overusing pessimism that bloats budgets unnecessarily. Use 3-point as a tool, not a crutch. If you're serious about accurate project planning, this is just the beginning. My online course will take you further. Inside you'll get: what is 3-point estimating? How to build a 3-point estimate. Best practices and pros and cons of 3-point estimating. Case studies in action. How to use 3-point estimating in practice. Who uses it and why. Accuracy factors and takeaways. Whether you're in construction, IT, manufacturing, or healthcare, knowing how to estimate with confidence is the #1 planning skill you need. Enroll today. The link is in the description. And start mastering your project budgets like a pro.